Teachers Maths class. Today we are discussing 10 amazing mathematical facts about the number 2. Okay, let's get started. Fact number 1. 2 is the first even prime number. It is the first even prime number. Also, fact number 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. We know that what is a prime number? Prime number can only divisible by itself or by 1. Here 2 is the first even prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. These are prime numbers. Here 2 is the first even prime number. This is the smallest prime number. Okay, this is the fact number 1 and fact number 2 about the number 2. Okay, fact number 3 is 2 is the base of the binary system. 2 is the base of the binary system. Binary system contains 1 and 0. Here 2 is the base of the binary system. 10 base 2, the base of the binary system. Fourth property, 2 is the square root of the 2 is the first non-irrational number. That is root 2. Root 2 is known as the first non-irrational number. Okay, these are the third and fourth properties of the number 2. Fifth fact, root 2 is known as Pythagoras constant. It is called Pythagoras constant. Its value root 2 equal to 1.414. It's non-terminating. What root 2? It is a irrational number. What is a irrational number? A irrational number is which cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Let P and Q be any integers, then P by Q. P by Q cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. That is called a irrational number. Here root 2 is known as the Pythagoras constant. It is the first non-irrational number also. Okay, this is the fifth property of the number 2. Okay, sixth fact, 2 is known as Ramanujan prime. Also seventh fact, 2 is the fourth of the Fibonacci series. What is a Fibonacci series? A series contains 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So on. This series is known as Fibonacci series. How we will calculate the Fibonacci series? By adding the preceding ones. Okay. Here 0 plus 1 we got equal to 1. Another number in the series. Also 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Another term. 1 plus 2. We got the another term as 3. On continuing we got 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. The next term. Proceeding 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 plus 5 13. On continuing. The first number is the sum of the second number is the sum of the preceding number. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 and so on. This is the Fibonacci series. Here 2 is fourth of the Fibonacci series. Okay. Fact number 8, its Gaussian integer is 1 plus I into 1 minus I. On solving this, we will get the number 2. Let's get solved. 1 into 1 minus I plus I minus I square. Okay. We got 1 plus I minus I square. On cancelling plus I and minus I, we got I square. Value of I square equal to minus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Its Gaussian integer is 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Okay. This is another fact about the number 2. Fact number 9. What is that? Multiple ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Next is its Roman number representation is 2. Like this. Roman numeral representation. These are some amazing facts about the number 2. Okay. So some properties of number 2. Its cardinal number is 2. Cardinal number equal to 2. Ordinal number is second. That is its position. Ordinal number means position first, second and so on. Here its number 2's ordinal number is second. Gaussian integer is 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So Roman number representation is 2. These are some properties of the number 2. Okay. It has a unique property. What is that? Let's check. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 square equal to 4. 2 factorial plus 2 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. This is the unique property about the number 2. Adding, multiplying, exponent and factorial addition, we will get the answer as 4. We cannot got this here with another numbers. Okay, this is one of the unique property about the number 2. Adding, multiplying and exponents and to the factorial addition, we got the same answer as 4. Okay. Also a fun fact. What is that? In Chinese culture, good things always comes in pairs. Okay. This is a fun fact about the number 2. Pair means double. Okay. Hope all of you understood the topic, that is amazing facts about the number 2. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.